If you're anything like everyone else, you love curly fries. And why not? They're amazing and delicious. These look a little burnt, but they're not, okay? I'm gonna show you why. Okay, maybe they're a little smidge, but they taste amazing. The flavor on these things is incredible. Perhaps the potato was a little extra, sugary or something. Did I accidentally use a sweet potato? We're going to find out in about 2 seconds. I'm going to show you everything it takes to do this, including the spiralizer and the deep frying process. You don't need an actual deep fryer. You can do this in a pot. But the results are undeniable. Curly fries for the win. All right, let's get started. In order to make curly fries, you're going to need some sort of a vegetable spiralizer thingy. I got this one off Amazon. It's about 35 bucks. It seems to work pretty good. It's the Brief Tins model. Basically, just use the suction cup, stick it onto your counter, cut a flat spot in your potatoes, stick it in the other end, and just push forward very hard while cranking away on the handle, and you get curly fries coming out the end here. That's pretty much about it. This thing does a whole bunch of other stuff as well, but this is one thing I haven't figured out yet. You get that weird little piece. I don't know. The potatoes get soaked in some water, cold water here, for about 30 minutes. It helps get the starch off the outside. When they're done, just give them a good drain. Let them set for about 5-7 minutes and dry up. Then we're going to drop these in some hot oil for about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on how many fries you have. The oil's at 300 degrees at this point, where this is the first stage of frying them. When they come out, they are going to be hopefully a little less cooked than this, a little less dark than that. Watch your temperatures very closely, watch your times. After about a half an hour, you can drop these back in. This will be the final thing. This takes about a minute and a half. It's super fast. And basically, that's what you get. Hopefully, they're not quite this dark. This took 2 minutes here, and it should have gone a minute and a half. Could you do this in a pot with oil and a thermometer? Yes. Just watch your temperatures, watch your times, and give them a little salt. That was definitely easier than you thought it was going to be, wasn't it? Yes, it was. And here's the results. They are delicious and amazing. Seriously, they do not taste burnt, okay? Don't throw them out because they look like that. There's something about fresh potatoes. This is, if you love the In-N-Out fries, you will love these. These are twice fried, of course, so they're a little bit better. They hold up a little bit better, but you'll never know because you're going to eat them so fast, they're going to be gone in about 30 seconds. And which is what they're going to be gone in about 30 seconds from now, because I thank you for watching this video. Now that you know how to make these, and I will see you on the next one if you hit the subscribe button down there and the bell notification and the thumbs up and all that stuff. YouTube will know to let you know when my next video comes out, and then I will see you on the next video. All right, till then, have a good one. Bye.